Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine in this pandemic situation. Our today's lesson is unit number 2, lesson number 3. And what you have to do is to listen the story. I will give a pause after one sentence. You have to read it after me, okay? Listen it carefully and read it after me. After listening the story, we will do its difficult words, sentence making, one word substitution, and we'll answer the questions given at the end. Okay, students? Now carefully open your books and listen the story after me. The story is The Hungry Monster. This is Mango Jango. He is a monster. He has red ears and green wings. He has a long blue tail and 6 legs. Here are Sarah, Ali, and Pizza. Sarah and Pizza are sisters. Ali is their brother. They are all at home. Sarah sees the monster. She is afraid. Help, she says. There's a monster. She runs away. Then Ali sees the monster. He's afraid too. Help, he says. There's a monster. He runs away too. The monster looks at Fizza. Can you help me? He asks. I'm very thirsty. Please give me some water. Fizza isn't afraid. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He drinks the water. The monster looks at Fizza. Can you help me? He asks. I'm very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. Here you are, she says. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you, says Mango Jango. He eats the mangoes. The monster is happy now. He is very sleepy too. He sits under the chair. Then he goes to sleep. Good monster, says Fizza. Now you have listened the story. Now let's see the dictation words. I'll read them and you have to read them after me, okay? The first word is monster. Long, blue, tail, afraid, wings, away, thirsty, give, drink, sleepy, under. Now read them again. Monster, long, blue, tail, afraid, wings, away, thirsty, give, drink, sleepy, under. Now you have to learn all these words along with their spellings. Now see, here is a list of words that part of speech and meaning related to your story. The first word is afraid. This is a verb. It means fearful. Next word is sleepy. This is a verb, ready for sleep. Away. Away is an adjective. It means at a distance. Now here is one word for a sentence. You need to, if you need to drink something, it means you are thirsty. So need to drink means thirsty. Ugly and frightening creatures are usually called monsters. Ugly and frightening creature, a monster. Here come some words. We have to make the sentences. One sentence I'm going to make for you and one you'll make by yourself with the help of your parents. The first word is afraid. I'm afraid of a lion. Now you have to make your own sentence over here. The next word is sleepy. She is feeling sleepy. Under. The cat is under the chair. Run away. I run away from the lion. Okay. Next, we are going to do the comprehension. Hope you all have listened the lesson carefully. After listening to the lesson, I think you all are able to answer these questions. So let's see the question. Who is Mango Django? The answer is in paragraph number 1. Mango Django is a monster. Next question. Why do Ali and Sarah run away? So you may see the answer in paragraph number 3 and 4. They are afraid of monster. Question number 3. Where does Mango Django sleep? You can see the answer in the last paragraph. He sleeps under the chair. Who is thirsty? Okay, who is thirsty? I think you all know that Mango Django is thirsty. Where did Mango Django sit? Now look at all the pictures. You will find out the answer that he sits on the ground. Where did Mango Django sit? He sits on the ground. Is the monster good or bad? You have to answer it by yourself. Do you think the monster is good or he is bad? Because in the last sentence, you learned that Pizza is saying that he's a good monster. But you have to write it according to your choice, whether the monster is good or bad. Fine? So you can write it is a good monster or a bad monster. Fine? Okay. Okay, thank you very much, students. All you have to do is that you have to do this work on your English text copies. Don't forget to write your date, day, and your name at the top right corner. After doing your work, text it in your WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.